Hi guys, so this is my busted stocking cap and I'm wearing this because my hair is looking oh so horrible. If you follow me on Periscope, you'd have seen this hair on this very day. So that's wearing my stocking cap, and today I'm going to be doing the head wrapping video. I didn't say that all these head wraps are done by yours truly. Hold on. They're done by yours truly. I did not watch anybody and say I'm going to do this. I just did it myself. So this is the length. This is the length of the thing. I'm 5'1", and yeah, so this thing is about 5 inches. You know, talking about like length, and it's this thick. Let me see if I can zoom all the way. Oh, I'm zoomed all the way out. It's this big. I don't have the correct dimensions or nothing, and this scarf was given to me by my grandmother, so I just fold it in half. It's in my brow and my makeup. Fold it in half, and then the first one I'm going to teach you how to do is something that I made up. Yeah, this way, and I just put this on, making sure that they're somewhat even. And that's it. So this is the Mary Magdalene. I'm joking. So put this on. Then I have two sides, 1, 2. Wrap this around, and that's all I do. And then I pull it, and then I carry it up. Then I have 2 pieces still. Put one in, bring it through, and then wrap these together, like twist it, then wrap it around. And I've never seen anyone do this simply because I made this up, and it's just the truth. So this is the first one. And I don't have a lot because, you know, I always use, and I can use anything to do this. You guys have seen me in that black scarf. Or one. Yeah, so the other one is, what have I been doing? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just doing all the ones that I do. Put it at the back, then put it through, basically just tying a knot. And I'm just going to make this up as I go right now in this very video. Can probably do this. Oh no, I don't know. Let's just do this one. I'm going to tie, just twisting it. And then guys, remember this one is a throwback one. Remember this one? This one is I think we called it, I forgot, I think we called it Halo. I think so, I'm not sure. That's the Halo. I'm sweating, guys. So that's that. Let's see what else I can do. Let my hand going to kick off my phone. If it does, I'm just going to pee myself because that was an expensive device. Then I'm going to, everybody do this one already. I call it the donuts, and I don't think that's on. Like everybody does this one. Everywhere I go, somebody have this one in. Like that's basically it. And I mean, it's so popular now. I'm annoyed. Like everybody does this one. Everybody does that one. So annoyed. I'm more asleep when I'm watching. Yep. Gone. Okay. I feel like you guys are mean. Hold on. Okay. So what else can I show you guys? I can show the side one. The side bun. It's just common. That's it. Side bun. That's the side one, and I can't really think of any other styles. But I've showed you guys the mohawk already. I used to wear that one regular in my tutorials. So I got to stick it underneath the back here. Don't mind this, it's just my black thing showing. Through there. Yeah. This is what we call the side mohawk, and I can put it to the back. So I call this the mohawk. But yeah, the most common one that I've been doing, I don't think I have a name for it either. I don't have a name for it. This is the most common one that I've been doing in everything. My tutorials, to go out, music videos. And I can do this one on the side, middle, or the other side. Is this one. Yeah, that's basically it. If I come to any more styles, I'll definitely do another video, not an updated video, just another, like an extension of this one. This is basically all I've been doing. I think my hair is ratchet right now. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Oh, he wants to sleep. Bye guys.